Hey guys, it's Ashley at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, which means if we can't get your credit approved, we will give you $100 cash. Today we're showing this 19 beautiful Altima. It's only got 38,000 miles on it. I think that's right. We'll check it in just a minute. Good gas mileage, one owner. Good looking tires on it. I also drove this one for a couple weeks probably. I love the new cars. It's got the push button start with the key fob, so you never have to get the key out of your purse. You can, when you get out, you can press this button to lock it or press it to unlock it. Power windows, of course. Still smells new. It's got the Sirius XM radio, Bluetooth, auxiliary down there. Yep, 38,000 miles. Yeah. It's got the sensors around, all the stuff on the steering wheel. Interior looks great. Let's see. Let me show y'all the back seat. Oh. Very roomy back there. Still brand new interior. Let's see if I can figure out how to open the trunk. Okay. Nice size trunk. I have a lot of time left. Okay. Let's see. It's got the backup camera. It's very high definition. That is a good looking camera. No sunroof, but it's a very nice car. Take y'all back around one more time. It's beeping because I have the key in my pocket. And remember, if you send me a customer and they purchase a vehicle over $4,000, I will give you $200 cash. Can't beat that. So come see us, Mallard Motors in El Dorado, 701 East Main Street.